I asked for help and I got it. The big question was, is it alright to send healing to people who hasn't asked for it and doesn't know about it? And you can see the whole video linked down below. And I was really unsure until Katherine wrote in the comments, for me, a really good answer. In this video I will share with you what she said. Katherine says it's okay. What you do is that you send out a clear intention that this healing goes to the higher self of the person you are sending healing to. And you let it be up to the higher self to decide what to do with this healing power. So what you would do in practical terms is, when you close your eyes and have an intention to open up for healing, you just connect to the higher self of that person and you have an open intention, like, you know, I'm gonna send this to you and you can do whatever is best. And this way, she says, leave it up to that person's higher self. Now, are we sure that this is the way it works? No, I'm not in a way. But it kind of resonates with me because, you know, when I see people in pain, real pain, and I'm assuming, should be a little, you know, careful with assuming, but I'm assuming they're not totally open for a spiritual healing, then if my intention is pure, meaning I stand nothing to gain from this, I just want to help. That's all I want to do, right? Shouldn't I be allowed to? It feels wrong to maybe have access to this power and not use it. So, for Katherine, thank you so much. For me, your solutions makes a whole lot of sense. My intention is pure and clear, and I leave it up to the higher self. And of course, I'm sure also the healing power knows what's best. And if we do it with an intention that this should be done in the best interest of all. Now, I would say, I wouldn't, well, here's my doubt again. I wouldn't tell the person that you've done it. That might feel like a violation for that person. Oh, you sent something to me and you didn't ask me? That feels off. But does that mean that we shouldn't do it then? Okay, I'm back to doubt now. Anyway, Katherine, thank you so much. Thank you so much.